Declan and Daddy. Hi everybody, I'm Declan.
And who am I?
Daddy.
Alright. Today, we're going to test your knowledge of sports.
Yes.
Alright. Okay, today in my sports bag here, I have some balls. Okay, how about you reach in and you grab one?
Okay.
Okay, no peeking.
Okay.
Stick your hand in. Oh, what's this ball?
Soccer ball.
中文呢？足球.
Soccer.
Alright, let's test some of your soccer skills.
Okay. I did it.
Well, that's basketball. Okay, Declan, we're gonna play soccer.
Yes.
Okay, can you dribble the ball like this? Okay, you try. Okay, let's pass the ball. Pass the ball to me. Oh, good. Wow, great kicking skills, Declan.
Got it. Let's play something else.
Okay, let's play something else. All right, are you ready for the next ball?
Yes.
Okay, go ahead.
Okay.
No peeking.
Black. What?
Oh, what is this one?
Basketball.
That's right. 中文呢？就籃球.
Mango.
Okay, let's go test your skills.
Okay.
All right.
Go.
Oh, good job. Let's make it a little more challenging for you.
Okay.
Okay, let's go to the back of the room. Okay, from here.
Have to try it.
Yes. Okay, Declan, go like this. Up. Okay, throw it up. Wow, that's
We
nothing
did
but
it.
net, Declan.
I did it.
You did it. Okay, Declan, time for the next ball, okay?
Okay.
All right, let's put your arm in and drop the next one. All right, Declan, what is this ball?
Bowling ball.
That's right. 中文呢就 bowling 球.
Bowling ball.
Okay, let's go and bowl. Hey, Declan, do you know how to bowl?
Roll on this.
Yeah, so you take the ball and roll it along the ground, and you have to hit the pins, okay?
Okay.
All right, let's give it a try.
Okay. I got 3.
Yes, you got 3. Let's try again. On the ground, roll it on the ground.
Okay. I got all.
Wow, that's a strike, Declan. Good job. Declan, it's time for the next ball.
Yes.
All right, let's reach in there and grab another one.
Okay.
Do you know what ball this one is?
White, and red.
Yes, it's white and red. But what sport do you play with this ball?
I don't know.
Baseball
Baseball.
or softball. In Chinese, it is 棒球
Pampa.
or 壘球.
Lego ball.
Okay, Declan, let's test your baseball skills, okay?
Okay.
Let's go.
Okay.
All right, Declan,
Where is
throw the ball into the target.
okay?
Oh, good job.
I got green one.
Yeah, you got it.
I did it.
You did it. Good job. Okay, let's try from further back.
You do go like this.
Wow, you did it. Oh. Next ball, okay? Are you excited?
Yeah.
All right, let's reach in here and get another one.
Okay.
What's this one? Okay, this is a golf ball.
Golf ball.
In Chinese, it is
高爾夫球。
Okay, Declan, let's try your golf skills.
Okay.
All right, here's the golf club with the putter. Okay, so you have to putt the ball into one of these three.
Go.
Oh, you're 50.
Yeah.
Okay, let's try again.
I go.
Oh, we did it! Yay!
Oh, yellow one.
Oh,
I did it!
you did it!
I got 52.
Yeah! You did it! So, Declan, did you have fun today?
Yeah.
All right, awesome. So today I learned that Cristiano Ronaldo, LeBron James, Tiger Woods, they've got nothing on you.
Oh.
Yeah, you're that good. Okay, so do you remember what sports we played?
Yes.
Okay, what balls here go with what sport? What's this one? Soccer,
Soccer.
basketball,
Basketball.
bowling,
Bowling ball.
baseball,
Baseball.
golf ball.
Golf ball.
Do you remember in Chinese? 足球,
足球。
籃球,
籃球。
bowling 球,
保齡球。
棒球, 壘球,
棒球。壘球。
高爾夫球.
高爾夫球。
Okay, good job.
Thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe.